Hi, this is Zida and welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to edit your footer in your website. This portion is called footer. So you can see there is a pic over here. If you want to put your logo here, you can change. If you want to change their name, so you want to change this one, you can also change. And if you want to do this, for example, I'm clicking on home, but you can see it not go home. I'm clicking on about us and you can see it's not working. So as you can see, this one is also not working. So let's see how to add link here. Okay, so click on edit site. First log into your dashboard, open your website and click on edit website. Go to the footer. As you can see, this portion is footer. For example, I want to change this and I want to add my picture or my logo here, so I replace it. Okay, that's my logo, so I put my logo here. You can resize this like that. Okay, so you can see our logo over here. Okay, and if you want to delete this, you can also remove image from here. Okay, so if you want to you can also this in align in center, and it will be in center if you want to change their position. Okay, for me I did this. Okay, so I want to write here some about me, about my website. So I'll go to my website. I copy some data from here. You can write whatever you want to write here. Click here, Control A and then Control V, so you can see I do this one over here. Okay, so I click on home, click here, click on and type here home. As you can see, a home page shown over here, so I click here and I want to add here about us. I click on here and write here about us. You can see the about us over here, and I don't have courses now, so I want to delete it, so I remove it. And so here you can see there is no text over here, so I click here and I want to add here term and condition. So I just type here tr and you can see term and condition available here. I don't have event, so I also delete this and type here privacy policy. Sorry, I click here, click on link and type here privacy, and you can see the page show here. And I also want contact us link over here, so I type here and write here contact, and you can see contact us shown here. So remove the extra words. Okay, okay, it's all done, and you can see our contact us in address. So go to your website, copy the address from here, Control C for copy, and click here Control A and type that Control B. And if you want to add your phone number, go here, copy, select all, paste here. Okay, and if you want to write your Gmail over here, copy the Gmail And if you want to attach a link over here, I already told you how to add your link here. And here you can add your schedule, your timing, and whatever you want to add here. Click on save. Let's see how it looks now. Refresh and let's see how now it's work or not. So as you can see, we have a quick button over here. If I click on about us, we go on about us, and if I term and condition, we go on term and condition page. Whatever links you want to add here, you can add. As you can see, our number over here, our Gmail, our number over here, and okay, there is a copyright 2020 powered by this, and you have to change. You have to change the name of from here. Scroll down, click on here, and write your copyright 2020 and powered by. If you want to write here, you can do delete from here. Just write here all copyright reserved by your website name Ria Tech. Okay, remove this column, and if you want to this column in center, you can do. For example, I want to do in center, so I align center by clicking here. For example, you want to do this in large and it will be large. You want to do this in middle and it will be middle. Okay, save, refresh, and you can see it all copyright is out by the attack 2020. You can see over here. You can also write your website name here if you want. Okay, if you want to change their because it's too close here, so if you want to change it, you can change. And I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. See you in another video. Take care.